Today we will talk about how to start the writing module, and we will start from the basics as writing module for beginners. So let's start. So viewers, whenever we see someone or we meet someone, their introduction is very much important to us. For example, when I tell you that my name is this and my qualification is this is very important for you. So same as when we get a question by our examiner, then we write the first paragraph should be the introduction paragraph, and introduction paragraph will tells examiner that how well you get the question. Okay, your first paragraph is the first impression to the examiner, and that will be very important. So be carefully read the question, as I always say that read the question very carefully. And second is try to write your answers in paragraph. That first is the introduction paragraph, after that we will write the body. And as the basic structure, if you talk about the basic structure, first will be the introduction paragraph, then we'll introduce the topic, that what is the topic, what examiner want to say, and in which point you are agree or disagree. Second will be the main body. In main body we will discuss the advantages or disadvantages or what examiner is asking, and third one will be the conclusion will be the end. So about the second paragraph that we write, that is, as I told, try to write in paragraphs. So try to make 2 to 3 paragraphs of your main body. Try to make 2 to 3 paragraphs and try to end them with example. For example, if examiner is asking you what about your views about the rural life or urban life, then you must say with example that rural life is good or urban life is good. And if examiner is asking you some disadvantages or advantages, you must say with examples that this is happening with this and this is happening with this, means you try to give an example. Okay, this was the basic structure. In the basic structure, as I told you, that write introduction, then write main body, and after main body write the conclusion. So this was the conclusion, and conclusion is the end. And as I told you that introduction is the first impression of your answer to the examiner, so same as conclusion will be the last impression at the examiner. So first and last both matters a lot. So at the end from the conclusion paragraph, examiner will judge that how well you can discuss your points, how well you can justify your answer. So mainly conclusion will be the justification of your main body, that what you said before you will justify that why and why not, and your point. So that's important a lot also. And next is what to keep in mind while writing. This is the very important, and as this is the first lecture, we are not discussing the total points, and I am trying to making this video short. So I will discuss the further points in the next video. So first thing is try to make your basic idea, as this is not cramming, जिसे हम कहते हैं रट्टा. This is not रट्टा at all in the full IELTS exam, in every module, even not even in writing. So रट्टा बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. You have to generate your ideas, and then you have to transfer your ideas on the paper. And second best option is try to make a basic partner with your writing. You can find your writing partner from social media, or you can find in the form of a tutor as well. So you write and discuss with your partner that what should improve and what should not, and what do you think about it. And the third most important is review what you write. This is very important, and often people do not do that. I must say that even in the exam, review what you write, rewrite and recheck that. So this was my basic video about the writing section. If you like, and hit like, subscribe button, and don't forget me in your prayers.